Weddings are extraordinary celebrations of love. They mark the beginning of a couple's journey together. Amidst the joy and festivities, it's easy to overlook the importance of preserving these precious moments. While photographs capture the visual splendor, audio recordings immortalize the emotions, the laughter, and the heartfelt vows that define this special day. Imagine years down the road, the wedding album bringing back a flood of visual memories. Now imagine being able to relive the emotions as well. Hearing the nervous laughter during the vows, the heartfelt speeches from loved ones, the joyous music that filled the air. These auditory elements add another layer of depth and meaning to your wedding memories. Good audio allows you to relive these moments with incredible clarity and authenticity. It's like stepping back in time. The emotions, the atmosphere, the energy of the day all come flooding back. Whether it's the heartfelt vows whispered during the ceremony or the raucous laughter echoing through the reception, these sonic treasures deserve to be preserved with the same care and attention as the visual memories.
Achieving professional-grade audio for your wedding doesn't require a Hollywood sound crew. With a little knowledge and the right equipment, you can capture stunning audio that will stand the test of time. The first step is understanding the two key components: microphones and recorders. Microphones are your ears on the ground, converting sound waves into electrical signals. Different types of microphones excel in different scenarios. For capturing the intimacy of vows, a lavalier microphone, discreetly clipped onto clothing, is ideal. To record the ambience of the ceremony or reception, condenser microphones offer exceptional sensitivity and detail. These electrical signals from the microphones need to be captured and stored. That's where audio recorders come in. These devices range from portable handheld units to professional multi-track recorders. When selecting a recorder, consider factors like the number of microphones you'll be using, the desired audio quality, and the recording duration. For most wedding scenarios, a portable recorder with at least 2 microphone inputs will suffice. Look for recorders with XLR inputs, as these offer superior audio quality compared to standard 3.5mm jacks. Investing in quality microphones and recorders ensures that your wedding audio is captured with clarity and fidelity.
Choosing the right equipment is only half the battle. Proper microphone placement is crucial for capturing balanced and clear audio. Think of it like setting the stage for a performance. You want each element to be heard clearly without overpowering the others. During the ceremony, consider placing a lavalier microphone on both the bride and groom. This ensures that their vows and exchanges are captured clearly, regardless of who is speaking. Additionally, a condenser microphone strategically positioned near the officiant or sound system can capture the overall ambiance of the ceremony. For the reception, you have more flexibility. Place a microphone near the DJ or band to capture the music. Consider adding another microphone for speeches and toasts. If you're having a live band, you might even use multiple microphones to capture individual instruments for a richer, more dynamic recording. Experiment with different microphone placements during your rehearsal to find the sweet spots that provide the best audio balance. Remember, clear and well-balanced audio ensures that every word, every laugh, and every note of music is preserved in all its glory.
Section 4. The soundtrack to I Do Popular Wedding Music Choices. Music sets the mood for your wedding, reflecting your personal style and creating a magical ambience. From the processional to the first dance, the right music elevates the emotional resonance of each moment. While musical tastes vary widely, there are some timeless classics and modern favorites that always seem to hit the right note. For a traditional feel, Pachelbel's Canon in D and Mendelssohn's Wedding March remain popular choices for the processional. When it's time for the bride's grand entrance, Wagner's bridal chorus never fails to create a sense of awe and anticipation. And for the recessional, Handel's Hallelujah chorus and Beethoven's Ode to Joy add a triumphant flourish. Modern couples often opt for contemporary songs that hold personal meaning. Ed Sheeran's Thinking Out Loud, John Legend's All of Me, and Christina Perri's 1,000 Years are popular choices for first dancers, while upbeat hits like Bruno Mars' Marry You and Uptown Funk keep the dance floor energized throughout the night. Ultimately, the best wedding music is that which speaks to your heart and reflects your unique love story. Whether you opt for classical elegance, modern romance, or a blend of genres, choose music that evokes joy, love, and celebration.
Section 5. Preserving the precious moments. Audio editing and mixing. Once you've captured the audio of your wedding, the next step is to polish it to perfection. Audio editing and mixing might sound intimidating, but with user-friendly software and a little patience, you can transform your raw recordings into cherished keepsakes. Editing involves removing any unwanted noise, such as coughs, background chatter, or microphone bumps. It's also an opportunity to trim any dead air or adjust the volume levels for a more consistent listening experience. Mixing takes things a step further, allowing you to blend the audio from multiple microphones, add subtle effects, and create a polished and professional sound. Imagine enhancing the emotion of your vows by adding a touch of reverb or ensuring that the music fades seamlessly into the background during speeches. With audio editing and mixing, you have the power to craft a sonic masterpiece that captures the essence of your wedding day. Numerous software programs cater to both beginners and experienced audio enthusiasts. Whether you prefer a simple interface or a more advanced suite of tools, there's a program out there to help you create a polished and professional-sounding recording of your special day.
Section 6. Beyond the ceremony, extending audio expertise to the reception. While the ceremony often takes center stage in wedding planning, the reception is where the real party begins. Extending your audio expertise to this portion of the day elevates the entire celebration, ensuring that every toast, every song, and every burst of laughter is captured with clarity and vibrancy. Just as with the ceremony, strategic microphone placement is key. Position microphones near the DJ or band to capture the music. Place additional microphones for speeches and toasts, ensuring that every heartfelt word is clearly audible. If you have a photo booth, consider placing a microphone nearby to capture the spontaneous conversations and laughter. For a truly immersive experience, consider incorporating ambient microphones strategically placed throughout the reception venue. These microphones pick up the subtle sounds of clinking glasses, lively conversations, and the overall joyous atmosphere, creating a rich and evocative soundscape that transports you back to the heart of the celebration. By applying the same principles of audio recording and mixing to your reception, you create a comprehensive auditory chronicle of the entire wedding day. These recordings become cherished keepsakes, allowing you to relive the joy, the laughter, and the love that filled the air long after the last dance has ended.